Hello people of the interwebs, welcome to Casey Crawls. Hey, so what's one of the first upgrades or modifications you do when you get a Jeep? Well, if you're like me, you find a way to mount your cell phone. So, that's what we're going to do today. I was approached by a group on the internet. I guess they've seen a couple of the videos and they're looking for a review. So they sent me a cell phone holder for the Jeep. Well, they sent me links to several different items, and I thought the cell phone holder was probably the most appropriate one for me. So the store on Amazon, or the brand, is called QM Parts. And I've had this for a little while now. It's been sitting in the shop. I've not unboxed it, so we're going to go ahead and unbox the thing and see what it looks like. So here we go. Again, QM Parts. I did not buy this. They sent it to me. It is for a Jeep Wrangler JL. Lo and behold, it's made in China. I looked on Amazon. I will leave the link if you want to check it out. But let's see what it looks like. Alright. Okay, cool. Little button on the side to release your cell phone. I kind of like that. We got this little tray that goes up on the dash. And you saw this cool little thing, button, releases. Got these deals to hold your phone. Phone sets in like that. Squeeze it together. Well, seems to hold it in. All right, let's see what's in the zippy lock. Okay, I guess there are no instructions, but it's pretty, okay, I see how that goes. That's gonna snap in there. This, let's see. Yeah. So it gives you a little Allen bolt with an Allen wrench. There is a little brass, like a nut zert in there. Put this little, oops. Let's put that through there first. Wait a minute. Yeah. There we go. Get that screwed in there. Okay. And this little plastic cover clips in there somehow. There we go. So I will tell you, it has holes right there to screw into the dash. However, wait. No. It doesn't come with the screws. What does this say? QM Parts, holder with storage tray. Oh wow, you hear that? Amazon is here. I love Amazon. Amazon delivered this. Let's see here. Okay. Put that on there like that. That clips on the little ball. Did y'all see that? I think you did. This little plastic. My dogs are going nuts because the Amazon man is here. I think I'm gonna like this. That's kind of cool. I'll show you the one I've got installed in the Jeep right now, which is okay, but it's a little quirky. This seems actually to be, wasn't completely sure about it, but it looks like it's gonna work out okay. So, hey, let's go put this in the Jeep and see how it works out. First things first, guys. I gotta move my duck. Well, that's old SARS, by the way. Okay, these Jeep JLs have this rubber liner. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver because there are 2 Phillips screws in here that you gotta pull out. So we didn't need screws with our cell phone holder because they're already in the Jeep, and that's what we're gonna use. So let me go grab a Phillips head screwdriver and we'll go ahead and get this thing installed and see how it works out. So stick around. Hey guys, so here you go. We've got our 2 screws, our P1 cross tip screwdriver. We're gonna drop our cell phone holder in place. You probably hear my dogs. They're vicious, vicious pugs. Alright, screw that in. Alright. This thing is kind of up a little bit, but hopefully this. Oh, a crazy dog. There you go. Man, that's too easy. There you go. 2 screws. Oh, we can't forget old Sarge. There he goes. Yep, fits in its new home. I think that's gonna do it. Let's see. There we go. Adjust it. Oh yeah. I think I like it. That's good. You push the button, cell phone comes out. Hop in. Push the button, cell phone comes out. Yeah. I think it's going to work out well. So, there you have it. QM parts. So far, so good. I'm going to try and live with it for the next week and just see how it goes. And I'll give you an update as the week draws on. And, yeah, I think I might like it. I was a little skeptical, but looks pretty good. So, I will see you on the trail or in the shop. Thanks for watching Casey Crawls. Like, subscribe. Smash the bell, all that other good YouTube stuff. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so a few days ago I installed this cell phone holder and I told you I would be living with it for a few days and would give you a quick update on how it's doing. So I'm going to flip you around so you can see it. It's doing fairly well. I think I like it. It's in a good spot. The only complaint is it's not in your field of view. But if you're turning right at an intersection, it may be a little bit distracting. But that's really the only I guess complaint that I would have about it. So let me flip you around and you can see what it looks like. So you can see it's right there, and my phone is an iPhone 12 mini. So if you had a larger phone, I would think it'd be a little bit distracting if it were a larger phone. But with this one, it's really not. I like it. It's very stable, doesn't move around. It's adjustable. So I like it. It's a success. I would recommend getting one if this is something you're looking for. And yeah, so there you go. Casey Crawls review.